let's go straight across to what's happening. Sukant Majumdar has made a huge statement. We see that Union Minister Sukant Majumdar's sensational charge of TMC government. He says that Hindu voters are being removed from Bengal polls. And let's go ahead and see what exactly is happening in this case. We are seeing that there's an allegation coming in that Hindu and Hindi-speaking voters are being removed from the electoral rolls in West Bengal by the TMC. I want to go ahead and play out that reaction which is coming in.
कि बंगाल में ममता बनर्जी की निर्देश से बंगाल के प्रशासन, ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर, एसडीओ, डीएम हिंदुओं के नाम जो सालों से बंगाल में वोटिंग कर रहे हैं उनको भारत का नागरिक नहीं ऐसा लांछन देके उनका नाम वोटर रोल से, वोटर लिस्ट से काटने का, डिलीट करने का प्रोग्राम ममता बनर्जी की सरकार ने बनाई है। आप जानते हैं कि जब हमने सीए इंट्रोड्यूस किया तब से ममता बनर्जी बंगाल में कह चुकी है कि बंगाल में जो लोग रहते हैं सब बंगाल का सिटीजन है, भारत का सिटीजन है। सीए में अप्लाई करने नहीं दिया, डराया लोगों को, बोला कि सीए में आप अप्लाई करेंगे तो आपका पूरा सिटीजनशिप चला जाएगा। आज वही ममता बनर्जी की सरकार, ममता बनर्जी की वीडियो नोटिस भेज रहे हैं हिंदुओं को कि नॉट इंडियन सिटीजन, आप इंडियन सिटीजन नहीं है और इंडियन सिटीजन होने का प्रमाण दीजिए। वही ममता बनर्जी और वही ममता बनर्जी की सरकार इस तरीके से हिंदुओं को नाम काटकर बंगाल की वोटर लिस्ट से हटाकर ममता बनर्जी कोशिश कर रही है कि वोट इलेक्शन जीतने के लिए 26 में।
All right, let's go across to my colleague Ridhita joining us live. Ridhita, we see that that there is an allegation coming in that many voters have been struck off the electoral list, and the reasoning that the TMC is giving is to remove fake voters. But in reality, we see that Hindu voters and Hindi-speaking voters are the ones who are being struck off this voter list. Let's take our viewers who is coming in. Yes, Ridhita.
Absolutely, Shivangi. As we had seen that yesterday, Sukant Majumdar through his tweet and also through a bite has stated that Hindu voters are being eliminated from the voter list, and also after that we have seen Shubhendu Adhikari making a statement, the leader of opposition of the state, making a statement that 98 Hindu voters' name has been eliminated from the Krishnanagar block 3, from the Ward 3 constituency, and the videos of that very ward has been helping. So out of Mamta Banerjee's instigation is this condition on the voters list happening currently in West Bengal, where we see the lower caste people of the Mathua and the other Namashuddha, these two castes which are the lower castes, are being eliminated from the lists of the voter list, and instead of them Muslim names are being inserted. Once, if we have back in times, we had seen that Mamta Banerjee once relied on this Mathua vote bank, but now as the Mathua vote bank moves themselves from voting Mamta Banerjee because of the disparities happening in West Bengal and on the communities back-to-back times, so this time her government decides to not insert their names only in the voter list. And also in Krishnanagar, as we see an update from the statement of Shubhendu Adhikari, the leader of opposition, that from the block 3, 95, I mentioned 95 names have been removed, Hindu names have been removed from the voter list. Yes. Back to you, Shivangi.
Yes, absolutely. I'll come back to Ridhita. I'll come back to you because we're getting some more updates coming in.